Hello, Madam and Sir. My name is Meridian Mahor Peña. I'm 38 years old. I'm married and I have two daughters, 20 years old and 22 years old. I live in San Isidro, Bagao, Cagayan, Philippines. I have experience for 15 years as domestic helper. First, I was working in Damascus, Syria for 3 years, 2007 to 2010. Second, I was working in Kuwait for 2 years, 2011 to 2014. Third, I was working in Dubai for 9 years at the same employer. I do cleaning, washing, gardening, car washing, and I know how to cook like Chinese food, Italian food, Arabic food, and Filipino food. Ma'am and sir, if you hire me, I will do my best, my responsibility with love, care, dedication. I hope that I will be the part of your family as my own family. I'm very happy person, honest and hardworking. Thank you, Madam and Sir. Have a nice day.